This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lisa Jerrolds. Great family home in South Knoxville with a large open floor plan on the main level with all bedrooms located upstairs as well as a large bonus room for a home office, rec room, storage or entertaining the family. A large deck was added allowing for greater use of the outdoor space. With the home comes a hot tub, gazebo and outdoor furnishings for outdoor entertaining. All appliances remain including washer and dryer. County taxes only. 2 to 10 home buyers warranty offered. Hurry, hurry, hurry. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Jerrolds at 865-342-4200.